got something today. I thought this was an intercooler, but apparently it's my turbo kit for my car, which is, you know, almost done. Take a look. Yeah, it's a turbo kit. So we want to do an unboxing because I feel like no one buys these turbo kits, and I'm the only person that would, because I'm an idiot. All right, so it says TD06 SH20RX turbo kit. So this is supposed to be like Greddy's 20G, but it's an RX model, which is like some new version of it. I wish I knew more than that, but I don't. So you're real close, aren't you? All right, let's see. There is one thing. I'm hoping that this is a tubular manifold and not a cast one, because I know they changed it. So this whole time, I've been talking to Josh and Ethan about how I want this to be the tubular one, because we just want it to sound good. The cast one is definitely better, but do you agree? What, am I wrong? Alright, so we got it. Oh, this is the Wastegate dump pipe, because you know Greddy still sells those ancient Wastegates with square outlets. Oh, there's a turbo. Should we leave that for the end? Oh. This is a proper unboxing video. Who's that?
Who that is?
They're pulling in too?
Oh my.
Close the door, yo. Alright, well the good news is, I just broke that. No, just kidding. The good news is, it's a tubular manifold. Yay! Thank God. So, good news is, this will sound way better than a cast manifold. The bad news is, it's going to crack 2 times as faster. No. Cast one's never going to break. But this is, it's probably going to break eventually. So, yeah, that's the other thing with this turbo kit. The turbo kit is meant for 180SX, I think, is the one I got, or a Sylvia. So we might have to modify this dump pipe because it's probably gonna hit the steering shaft. But we'll see. This is my first turbo kit I ever bought in my life.
What'd you have before?
The S15 turbo. All right, what else we got? Got some intercooler piping, I guess. Probably comes right off the turbo. I was interested in this, some kind of heat shield. Some kind of heat shield.
It's like something for your kitchen.
Okay, well, it's Greddy, it's not HKS, so. You know. Oh look, how nice of Greddy to include the cheapest OEM gasket they make. How nice of them. Make sure to throw this in the garbage. You know what? Let's do that now. Oh, we got hose clamps. Nice. We got a box here. We'll open that up in a minute. We got instructions, which are all in Japanese, so hopefully they got photos. Oh, here we go. This is the high boost setting, I guess. Yeah. It says it'll make 338 PS. What does that convert to? Is it like direct?
I think so.
That's horrible.
Ponies.
Ponies? That's horrible
PS?
though, right?
Yep.
Pony what? What would be the S?
Just ponies.
Maybe it makes less power than I thought.
There's 2 letters.
Yeah, ponies.
Wow. All right. Well, it's got photos. That's the good news. So, yeah, this seems pretty informative. Okay. This heat shield, no idea where it goes, but it's nice. It's like Christmas. We got another intercooler pipe thing. Intake pipe. Yeah, that's the right. All right. This probably comes. Looks like an intercooler pipe.
Yeah, to the intercooler. If you're running it from mount.
I wonder which kit I got. It's a 180 kit. That's good. I thought I might have got a S14 or something. I was a little concerned. Yeah, it's probably going right in the dumpster, but I don't know. I don't really run these things. I feel. Talk to Josh DeLees about running foam intake filters. So I'll have a story for you for fucking 20 minutes probably. I just don't like how they look. God, what's with the cars pulling up here today? Alright, we'll be right back. Is your back on? Mm-hmm. Okay. Back to it. Sorry.
That's a pretty thick flange.
What?
Where the turbo mounts.
This one?
Yeah, it's like a half an inch.
That's thick with 2 C's.
Capital C's.
Capital C's. Okay, anyway, before we were rudely interrupted. Alright. Moment of truth. Nah, we'll keep that. Wow. Looks like a snake. That's a cobra right there. This is a real cobra downpipe. Fuck that shit. Here, Chris, you open this. Thank you. Oh, this. And it's got a flex pipe. I mean, guys, this is what. Burble tune. This right here is what matters on every exhaust system if you're drifting. If you're drifting a car and you don't have a flex pipe and you're just sitting there like,
my exhaust broke again. These manifolds just suck. Everything sucks. I gotta re-weld it again.
well, guess what? This is probably the reason why. Or it's because you have clothes hangers from your mom's closet holding up your exhaust system. It's one of those. It's one of those 2 reasons. But you really should get a flex pipe. I'm really glad they included this in here. I did not expect this from Greddy. Not saying Greddy's a bad company, but
That's reduced.
yeah, like this kind of sucks, but we'll be right back. Part 3 of the fucking unboxing video. Here you go.
Wait. Okay.
Well, I don't know. I don't know where to put it. All right, we got another box here. Okay, we'll open these boxes up after this. You gotta play a song right here. Exactly what I was thinking. There she is, in all her glory. There's no coolant ports, thank God. One less thing I need to worry about. So that's good. The other thing I was thinking was this is a big ass wheel, but the housing is tiny, so.
Faster spool.
I mean, I hope so. That's how all these 20Gs are, right? It's got a really tiny housing.
Small, hot side, yeah.
Yeah, well, this is that 20RX one, so this is like Greddy's newest turbo. I heard really good things so far from people in Japan, so Josh knows people with this turbo, I think. And
I was gonna say, yeah, friends in Japan.
I don't have any friends in Japan, but Josh does. Mitsubishi, baby. RX. TD06 SH20RX turbo. I guess we should take a look in here. Ooh, look at that. Nice little square gaskets. I'm never gonna find any extras of. Alright, dude. Look how big that wastegate is. This is a great wastegate for like a huge turbo. I mean, but this is ridiculous. Now you look at a modern day wastegate. Greddy, what are you doing? Well, the thing is, like I said, this is going on a left-hand drive car, so this is going to be the thing that does not fit. So we might have to convert to a tile wastegate.
Tile.
But there's a fire ring. But a 44 or whatever, this is a 38. And it's covered in oil. And it's not supposed to look like that either. That's from heat. It turned brown. God damn, dude. This is the most ridiculous wastegate I've ever seen. Kind of cool, though. One more box, and then we're done. Just gaskets, couplers, intake mounting thing that we're probably not going to use. Because we're going to use Apexi Power FC. Ooh, we got some brackets, some braces, hopefully. Brace that manifold. What else we got? More gaskets, heat shield for probably for the hoses. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Okay, this is the most important thing. We got more Greddy vacuum hose. I'm not going to use it probably because it's going to melt, but it looks sick. Turbo drain. Nice piece. Probably gonna have to make sure. Yep, that's not straight. No, none of their flanges are straight. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's Greddy for you. Everyone thinks Greddy is the best brand in the world, but
I'll be making this video.
not quite there. Pretty good. Not quite there. That is a lot of hardware. That's nice. They got you new studs, new nuts, spacers. You got, I mean, it looks like you got oil fittings for the oil feed, banjo bolts maybe, yeah.
Nice.
Oil feed line, sick. We don't have to worry about this. Wow. All right, so far I'm pretty happy with this. Let's see how it goes. Tune in 3 years when the engine's going in. Bye.